I'd say, but still the best is left. A copter from Minnesota discovered his ability to live from love and air, you see, and quit his boring job. A businessman from Waterford set on his ship completely aborted. Someone threw him overboard, he shivered in the cold. But he was well, got strong like hell. He found his way, swam all the day. In Alicia you smell the sea, the taste of turf and taste of tea. The sadness all will ever be a part of Ireland's heart. Cross in this air, the clouds are in the sky and everywhere you'll find a place to start. A fisherman from Killibag, a grumpy man he always had, till he turned out to be a rag and left his life away. A teacher from the Eastern Hills, he smoked like hell, took lot of pills till he discovered very first he banged around the ball. In Alicia you smell the sea, the taste of turf and taste of tea. The saddle shop will ever be a part of Ireland's heart. Cross in this air, the clouds are in the sky and everywhere you'll find a place to start.
Breezy with sunny spells and scattered showers, some of them heavy. During the afternoon and evening, the showers will lessen. Highest temperature 17 to 20 degrees. And there's a warning that south to southwest winds will reach gale force tonight on Irish coastal waters from Hookhead to Roach's Point to Lukehead and on the Irish Sea.
From the west coast, he was a lousy party host, and then he stopped with all his boats and changed into a mate. A baker boy from Donegal, a weedy guy, extremely small. He sold the bread till he was tall and grew right to the sky. An engineer from Galway town was fat and clearly upset on. He went around wearing it down, he didn't give a damn. He loved his dress, felt happiness. He danced around and lost 8 pounds.